Wind power. For centuries, the power of the wind has been harnessed to propel sailing ships and to drive windmills. Modern wind turbines provide a renewable source of energy by turning the kinetic energy of wind into electrical energy without consuming fossil fuels or emitting greenhouse gases. Microgeneration. Small-scale renewable energy systems use freestanding or roof-mounted wind turbines to generate electricity. These systems are used in conjunction with other sustainable energy sources such as solar thermal collectors to heat water or photovoltaic cells. Together, they reduce the reliance on large, centralized power plants that often burn fossil fuels and emit harmful byproducts. How a wind turbine works. A turbine's blades convert the wind's energy into a mechanical force that powers an electricity generator's driveshaft. The generator and gearbox are housed in the body of the turbine. Although they rely on a regular supply of wind, turbines can operate day and night and generate electricity without emitting hazardous byproducts. Turbines are often grouped in wind farms on land or offshore and are linked to an electricity transmission network. There are 6 key steps to generating power from a wind turbine. Turning blades. Mounted on a freely turning axis, the propeller-like blades catch the air and spin around. As they move, they turn a central driveshaft. The angle, or pitch, of the turbine blades can be altered to adjust their speed. Gearbox. Often the most costly part of a wind turbine, the gearbox converts the low-speed rotation of the driveshaft, around 15 to 40 revolutions per minute, into high-speed rotation at a rate that is sufficient enough to drive the generator efficiently. Generator. Located behind the gearbox, the generator takes mechanical energy from the spinning driveshaft and turns it into electrical energy. Electric current. The electric current produced by the generator flows away through one or more power cables running down the inside of the turbine mast. Increasing the voltage. A step-up transformer greatly increases the voltage of the electricity output from the generator, for local use or to be transmitted via cables to the power grid. Did you know that an average wind turbine can generate enough electricity to power 1,000 homes? Self-sufficiency. A wind turbine can fulfill a household's electricity needs. Excess electricity is supplied to the power grid, with a smart meter keeping track of flow both ways. The system works with an inverter that converts DC power from the turbine to AC power for use in homes. Then the generation meter counts the amount of electricity produced. A fuse box controls and distributes the electricity. And lastly, excess electricity is supplied to power the grid via a smart meter. Turbines and wildlife. Wind turbine construction can disturb ecosystems at sea and on land, but the most direct threat they pose is to birds and bats. Siting wind farms away from nesting sites and routes used by migrating birds is one solution. Another potential option might be acoustic lighthouses. These devices placed close to wind turbines that emit loud sounds to warn birds. So there you have it. That's how wind power is created. We hope you learned something new. If you like the video, please like, comment, subscribe and share with someone you know. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.